right, so now we're gonna look at a sailboat. We're gonna look at this. I can't pronounce that word. Jeanneau, 58 foot, right here. Okay. Welcome aboard. Don't kill yourself. See, a boat like this would be a lot of work. You know, sailboats are a lot more work than motorboats. Like, this is a lot of boat, 58 feet. You know what I'm saying? Hey, baby! Careful now, going back. Huh? Hello! Okay. Can I do this without falling? With these slippery socks?
Most of it's underground, so you can't really see.
I know.
You sink. It's not like in the house.
I know. Let's watch some of those movies about the people sinking. Hello. Hi. Do you speak French? Oh, okay. I heard
Russian,
that.
yeah.
Russian. Okay. I was wondering how you pronounce this. That's why.
Jeanneau.
Jeanneau, you think? Okay.
Jeanneau.
Wow. This is nice.
Jeanneau.
What I love about these boats is,
Jeanneau.
yeah, is that like how nice they are. Like you're in the middle of the rough seas in Antarctica or somewhere, and you're in this like totally posh boat on the inside, you know. Okay. But I'm too big to fit through these hatchways. Isn't it funny? You feel it rocking?
I know. Look, if I lived in a boat, it would have to stay hooked up to the, what do you call it?
The
Hooked
dock.
up to the dock, yeah, because I don't want to think about sinking. But it is nice otherwise.
You
I
gotta
guess
take risks in life,
I guess
rocks.
I don't swim, and I'm not going to deal with no sinking in the middle of the
You're gonna
sea.
learn to swim.
What is it?
You're gonna hang with me. You're gonna learn to swim.
A duck?
Storage. They have to use all the space efficiently, so there's tons of storage. Hey, maybe we can put like, man, our cabinets don't look anything like this. What is this wood? Like, what is this material? Anyway, this boat has, it looks like 3 bedrooms, and it probably has 2 bathrooms, I'm guessing. How much was this boat? Did you see the price?
No. So that's the master room.
Yeah, look, they got storage under here.
Yeah, something like this would actually be enough room for us. Not like that camper, you know?
Of course. Of course it would be.
I guess if you could buy a boat for less than a house, that'd be something you could own, huh?
Yeah, but it'll depreciate in value. Because the land is what appreciates.
You know what? I don't give it appreciate the value as long as it doesn't hold together.
Yeah, it's gonna hold.
Together for 60 years, it can hold together.
But boats are like high maintenance. Like you gotta put a ton of time and money. Things are breaking.
I'm sure you have to keep it from leaking to a lot of stuff.
Like I'm watching the Gone with the Winds, and like they paid $200,000 for their boat, and now it's starting to, like all these little things are starting to break.
How do you get water and all that other
Okay, this
stuff?
boat is not made for fat people.
How do you get water?
I'm talking about myself.
Okay,
Okay,
that's
so
not it,
this
that's the back.
is
Oh, yeah.
because I can barely squeeze in here. Yeah, this is neat. I want to see a catamaran. Let's. Now you want to sail to Hawaii?
No, I wouldn't mind taking
We're gonna.
I don't want to sail to Hawaii. I might fly to Hawaii, but with the way planes fly, I don't know.
He's so scary.
I don't want to sail to Hawaii. We're in the little, look like the twin cabin, twin bunk beds in here.
It's another bathroom.
Okay, wait.
Another bathroom.
Another bathroom here.
Guess how much this boat costs?
Nice. How much?
That's the kitchen, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
Did you see
That's
it?
nice.
This is the nav station. This is where they navigate. So you're in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, and this is how you navigate.
Look at me. Here. Okay, go ahead.
Okay,
You going into one of the bedrooms?
Yeah, if I can fit in here, I'm too fat.
This is the couch area.
Okay. Hey, it's got another bathroom.
Bathroom in each
3
room?
bathrooms.
Oh.
They're called heads in boats.
Oh, 3 heads?
Yeah.
Oh, so another bunk bed situation.
This is interesting because you could fit 2 different people here. This is an
Yeah.
interesting setup with this thing in the middle.
Yeah.
I guess you could make it either or. You know what I mean? Like if you had 2 separate guests, you could do that. Or if you want them to have one bed, you could put it together.
Right. I like the couch. It's good size. Take that thing off your back.
I'm calling U.S. Coast Guard. We're out in the middle of the Pacific and we're sinking. Okay.
You going back up?
Yeah. Be careful with your socks. You have socks? No. You can slip with them.
I got it. There he comes.
This boat is really cool.
Good. I'm glad we got a good
Double
picture of you.
What the other boat cost? That motorboat we just showed you. $1 million. But you know. Yeah.
Dark,
You
cloudy
can have a $1
day.
million LA house, or you can have this boat. So if you're interested in this boat, you can contact that guy. He's not here right now, but that's who you can contact. Hey, hi, Captain. We just missed the catamaran. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. So these are Beneteau boats.
So the show is over?
I guess so. Yeah, I think it ended at 6.
5.
I mean
The
5.
boat show ended at 6? And
I guess so. I guess so. Now it's yachts. Beneteau. So these are the ones, well, that one was that we looked at last year. Oh well. I guess it's over. I'm gonna have to indoctrinate you into boating.
I'm not owning a boat as long as I'm staying in the dock, you know?
Our
I
oasis.
don't want to go sailing and then sink or something.
Rox, you know, when you do something, you don't have to focus on the worst case thing about it.
I don't want to sail. I don't mind being on the
I mean, like when you go flying, are you just gonna think about crashing all day?
I tell you what, it's a lot more affordable than a land house. It's like,
It is, but it also is expensive to maintain.
yeah, you said that. And then,
From what I've seen, I figure.
water and getting water from the sink and toilet.
No, it makes its own water. They have water makers.
Where do you put the water?
Hello, how are you?
How do you empty the toilet?
Good. Well, you can empty it into the ocean far out, or you plug in. There's just like RV park. They have like dump
So is
stations.
that it? That's the dump station right there?
Okay, I have no idea what a dump station is.
Oh.
These are probably not those kind of slips. I think there's also a boat that can come around and empty your tanks for you.